Have you ever wondered if the 2026 Suzuki GS150C is finally the motorcycle that delivers the perfect balance of reliability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and value? What if this new model brings subtle but meaningful improvements that make it one of the smartest choices in the 150cc category? Before you decide to spend your hard-earned money, stay with us until the end because we'll cover everything you need to know. From the design and engine to fuel economy, comfort, features, real-world usability, and whether this bike is truly worth buying in 2026. If you enjoy honest motorcycle reviews and detailed buying guides, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Now, let's dive right in. The Suzuki GS150C has built a strong reputation over the years as one of the most dependable commuter motorcycles. Riders appreciate it for its smooth performance, durable engine, comfortable riding position, and long-term reliability. Instead of completely redesigning a successful formula, Suzuki has continued refining the motorcycle, making small improvements that enhance the overall riding experience while maintaining the characteristics that owners already love. At first glance, the 2026 Suzuki GS150C carries a familiar appearance, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. The classic commuter styling remains clean and timeless. The motorcycle features a muscular fuel tank, practical body panels, a comfortable seat, and balanced proportions that appeal to both younger and mature riders. The chrome accents continue to give the motorcycle a premium appearance, while the paint quality and graphics help it feel fresh for the latest model year. Whether you're riding through city traffic, heading to work every morning, or taking a weekend trip, the GS150C still manages to look stylish without trying too hard. Moving to the front of the bike, the headlamp maintains its traditional design, providing a classic appearance while offering good nighttime visibility. The turn signals and rear lighting remain practical and easy to notice, improving safety during everyday riding. One of the biggest reasons why riders continue choosing the GS150C is comfort. Suzuki has always focused on making this motorcycle suitable for daily use, and the 2026 version continues that tradition. The upright riding posture reduces pressure on your wrists and shoulders, allowing you to ride comfortably even during longer journeys. The wide handlebars offer excellent control, especially in city traffic where frequent turning and maneuvering are required. The seat provides generous cushioning for both the rider and passenger, making commuting and weekend rides more enjoyable. Let's talk about what really matters, the engine. The 2026 Suzuki GS150C continues using a proven 150cc Class 4-stroke, air-cooled single-cylinder engine known for smooth power delivery and long-term durability. Rather than chasing maximum horsepower, Suzuki focuses on producing a motorcycle that performs consistently every single day. Power delivery is smooth and predictable. Acceleration feels controlled, making it beginner-friendly while still providing enough performance for experienced riders who simply want dependable transportation. The gearbox delivers smooth shifting, allowing riders to move confidently through city traffic and maintain comfortable cruising speeds on open roads. Clutch engagement remains light, reducing rider fatigue during heavy traffic conditions. One of the strongest selling points of this motorcycle has always been fuel efficiency. Rising fuel prices make economy more important than ever, and the GS150C continues to deliver excellent mileage when ridden responsibly. Whether you're commuting to work, attending university, or traveling between cities, fewer fuel stops mean lower running costs over time. Combined with Suzuki's reputation for dependable engineering, this motorcycle becomes an attractive option for riders looking to minimize ownership expenses. Another major advantage is maintenance. Suzuki motorcycles have earned a reputation for being relatively simple to service. Routine maintenance such as oil changes, air filter cleaning, chain adjustments, and brake inspections can usually be completed without unnecessary complexity. Replacement parts are generally easy to find in many markets, and experienced mechanics are already familiar with the GS150 platform. That means maintenance remains convenient throughout the ownership experience. Now let's discuss ride quality. The suspension setup is designed with comfort in mind. The front telescopic forks absorb everyday road imperfections while the rear suspension helps maintain stability over uneven surfaces. Although this isn't intended as a sport motorcycle, it performs confidently in daily commuting situations. Speed breakers, potholes, and rough city roads are handled reasonably well, giving riders confidence during everyday travel. The lightweight chassis also contributes to easy handling. New riders will appreciate how manageable the motorcycle feels, while experienced riders will enjoy its predictable behavior during cornering and low-speed maneuvering. Braking performance remains suitable for everyday riding. The braking system offers controlled stopping power and encourages smooth, confident braking in both city traffic and open road conditions. As always, safe riding practices and proper maintenance play a significant role in overall braking performance. Storage options remain practical through available accessories such as luggage racks or side carriers depending on your region. This makes the GS150C useful not only for commuting but also for delivery work, business use, and light touring. Another reason people continue recommending this motorcycle is reliability. Suzuki has spent decades building motorcycles that are trusted by millions of riders worldwide. The GS150 platform has proven itself over years of real-world use. Owners frequently praise the engine's durability, consistent performance, and ability to handle daily riding with minimal problems when properly maintained. This reputation creates strong resale value. Buyers often feel more confident purchasing a used Suzuki because the brand has established trust through years of dependable products. Now let's compare the GS150C with some of its competitors. Many motorcycles in the 150cc segment focus on aggressive styling or sporty performance. While those bikes certainly have their appeal, the GS150C follows a different philosophy. Instead of chasing extreme performance numbers, Suzuki emphasizes balance. You receive comfortable ergonomics, respectable fuel economy, dependable engineering, straightforward maintenance, and a riding experience that feels refined for everyday use. For many buyers, that's exactly what matters most. Of course, no motorcycle is perfect. If you're searching for cutting-edge technology, advanced electronic rider aids, or aggressive supersport styling, the GS150C may not be your first choice. Likewise, riders who prioritize maximum acceleration above everything else may prefer motorcycles designed specifically for performance. However, if your priorities include reliability, comfort, efficiency, affordability, and long-term ownership satisfaction, the GS150C becomes a very compelling option. Who should buy this motorcycle? It's an excellent choice for first-time riders looking for a forgiving motorcycle that's easy to learn on. It's also ideal for daily commuters who spend hours navigating urban traffic. Students can benefit from its economical fuel consumption and manageable maintenance costs. Working professionals who need dependable transportation every day will appreciate its consistent performance. Even experienced riders searching for a practical second motorcycle often find the GS150C to be an excellent addition to their garage. Before purchasing any motorcycle, it's always a good idea to visit your nearest Suzuki dealership, inspect the motorcycle in person, take a test ride if available, and compare it with other motorcycles in the same category. Pay attention to riding comfort, seating position, handlebar reach, braking feel, and how confident you feel during the ride. Sometimes the motorcycle that feels best on paper isn't necessarily the one that feels best once you're actually riding it. Overall, the 2026 Suzuki GS150C continues the tradition that has made this motorcycle popular for years. It doesn't rely on flashy marketing or unnecessary complexity. Instead, it focuses on delivering dependable transportation, comfortable ergonomics, respectable efficiency, and long-term value. For riders seeking a trustworthy motorcycle that performs well day after day without demanding excessive maintenance costs, the GS150C remains one of the strongest contenders in its class. So, is the 2026 Suzuki GS150C worth buying? If your goal is to own a reliable, comfortable, fuel-efficient, and practical motorcycle that offers excellent everyday usability, the answer is very likely yes. It may not be the fastest motorcycle on the road, and it may not have every modern gadget available today, but it succeeds where it matters most, providing dependable transportation that owners can trust for years. What do you think about the new 2026 Suzuki GS150C? Is it your favorite commuter motorcycle, or would you choose another bike in the 150cc segment? Share your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear your opinion. If you found this review helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and buying guides, and we'll see you in the next video. Ride safe, and thanks for watching.